You see this behind me? Yep, it's a whiteboard. And as you can see, I can write on it, draw on it, and even stick documents to it with a magnet. And well, you get the idea. But as the world becomes more and more digital, wouldn't it be great to have a digital version of this classic whiteboard? That's exactly why Microsoft created Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft Whiteboard lets you jot down ideas, explain concepts, and collaborate on plans with your teammates. And yes, they can join in and work on the board with you, using all the tools you'd expect from a traditional whiteboard, and more. To get started, you can launch Microsoft Whiteboard in your browser, using the app, or even within Microsoft Teams. Yes, you can launch a whiteboard during a Microsoft Teams meeting. Just open the Share tray and select it from there. Once you're in, you'll see a wide range of templates to choose from. Because hey, starting from a blank canvas can be a bit overwhelming. Whether you're brainstorming, solving problems, or running a retrospective, there's a template ready to help. And if you prefer, you can even build and save your own templates. Let's try one. For this example, let's go with the Daily Stand-Up template. This one helps you and your team track what everyone did yesterday, what they're working on today, and what's blocking their progress. Super useful. If you're working together on a whiteboard, make sure to turn on the Collaborative Cursors feature. This shows you where your teammates' cursors are in real time, so you know exactly who's doing what and where. Let's start adding some notes. One way to do that is by using the pen tool. You've got a wide selection to choose from, like black, red, a highlighter, even a sparkly Galaxy pen, and yes, a laser pointer. Each pen is fully customizable in terms of size, color, and more. And the best part? They never run out of ink. You'll notice that when you click on one of the colored squares, you can type directly into it. That's because those are sticky notes. You can change their color and even react to your teammates' notes with emojis or comments. No worries, they're not gonna fall off. Speaking of reactions, you can add them anywhere on the whiteboard using the Reactions panel. Hearts, check marks, smiley faces, you name it. You can also drop a regular text comment anywhere to start a conversation. You can also insert text boxes and shapes, which is great if you want to add new sections or expand the board during your meeting. Still need more? You and your team can insert all kinds of files too. Upload images from your computer or search Bing, add PDFs or PowerPoint slides, insert videos via links, drop in links to external resources, and even use Loop components to help manage your project. Can't do all that with a regular old whiteboard, can you? Oh, and you can create as many whiteboards as you want. No more erasing stuff just to make room for new ideas. Want to lead your team through your whiteboard? Turn on the Follow Me feature. When this is active, your colleagues are invited to follow your cursor in real time, making it easier to guide them through your ideas step by step. Want to save your whiteboard locally? You've got options. You can export it as an image, so you can easily share or archive it, or download a zip file with all the whiteboard data, including board content and metadata if you want to use it in another app or back it up. And yes, there's even a mobile app for Android and iOS, so you can access and edit your whiteboards on the go. Try lugging around a real whiteboard on the subway. Not exactly practical. Oh, and did I mention Copilot is built right into Whiteboard? If you have the subscription, it can help you brainstorm, organize ideas, and even turn complex projects into actionable steps. Use the Suggest function to instantly overcome blank page syndrome, or press Categorize to group ideas into logical clusters. You can even ask Copilot to enhance or summarize individual sticky notes. Just click the Copilot button, pick a feature, and start typing. And that's it. Now you know what the whiteboard of the future looks like. While physical whiteboards still have their place in the workplace, Microsoft Whiteboard is a powerful alternative for today's digital world. So go ahead, give it a try, and lead your meetings and projects to success, one sticky note at a time. Good luck!
Hey, you reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to the channel down below, or you can like it if you... What?
This way.
Oh. Please just subscribe.